Tech World, tutorial time, excellent, rear, 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 rear.
So first things first, you want to start by opening File Explorer. You can, click the folder sign, or you can press Windows E on the keyboard. At the top, you want to type in wireless-print. And don't forget to press enter. Then you probably want to search for your printer. I do suggest doing that, otherwise it'll take a minute to find it. Which high school printers start with HS for high school. Helensburgh is HE. Sprinica is SE. Middle school is MS. And most CRC printers start with ESC. Then to install the printer, right-click on it, click on Connect, and then after a few moments, you should be ready to go.